In this video, we will discuss how the access specifiers are used to access the members and functions of the class. Access specifiers. Access specifiers defines the level of access of the members and also the functions of the class. There are three types of access specifier in C++. First is the public. If the members of the class are declared as public, then they are accessible from anywhere in the program. Second is the private. If the members of the class are declared as private, then they can be accessed only within the class. By default, any member declared inside a class is private to the class unless specifically declared as public. Third is the protected. The members of the class are accessible within the class and by any class which inherit that particular class. In the program, a class is created as my function. The first variable x is declared as int and initialized a value of 10. The scope of x is private to the class. The second variable y is declared as int and initialized a value of 20. The scope of y is public and can be accessed outside the class. In the main function, the class myFunction is initialized. Cout statements are used to print the existing values of variable x and y. Next, the program is trying to modify the value of both the variables. X as 100 and y as 200. Cout statements are used to print the new values of variable x and y. When compiled, we get some exceptions as: first error is that the variable x is declared as private and cannot be accessed in the male class. Second error, ASLO mentions that x is private variable and cannot be modified. Third error is again similar, which tells that we cannot print the value of x as it's a private variable. If we comment all the 3 lines of code and execute the program, we see that it first prints the value of y as 20 and then prints the value as 200 as the value fy was changed. Also, we don't need to specify private within the class, because if we don't specify it as public, then it's treated as a private resource. If we remove the private keyword and uncomment one of the cout message, we see that we again get the same error as we got previously. So this is how the access specifiers public and private work in a program.